Okay, so welcome everybody to a very special stream. Tonight, we have edutainment games. So I'm going to play two games. They're both made by the same developer. What are they? What's this developer? I got to get this right. But they're basically learning about regular expressions and math. So we're going to start with Copy Editor. This game is by blah blah blah. This is by what? Who makes this? Whatever. I'm going to hit play. Basically, regular expressions are things that you can use to search up text. Or, yeah, I mean that's how I know about it. I barely know. I don't know that much, but I know enough to beat the first couple levels of this game. I think. Zip is here too, so he's gonna learn with us. He's gonna assist me with math. All right, you still there, Zip? Let me share my
Yep.
screen. All right, so this is a regular expression game, and it's basically in beta. It's not in beta. It's early access. There's
All
only
right.
6 levels. How do I share my screen? All right, wrong button. Okay, here it is. And then let me switch the shot. All right, let's bring this up. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. All right, so basically, regular expressions are things where it's like pattern matching, sort of, but with text. It has a lot of applications. Um, so in this one, you're basically just trying to change this all these is to was, and you can see this cute little chat here. Talks to use find and replace and regular expressions to fix the errors in the text. Get the stuff on the left to look like the stuff on the right. And then it can teach you more. Back S matches white space.
Huh.
Find \S an matches only an but not pan or ant, so it's only those things. So you basically, obviously the solution would be for this is replace with, wow, it's like real time. Oh, look, it's actually working like, but it's not exactly right because I didn't put the /s to isolate. Wow, it's like real time. It was the replace was. Did I mess this up? I already messed this up. */s.
Yeah, I was about to say it's still a little off.
Oh man, this is already great. /s \S. Can I like reset this? Oh, it is the best of times. Replace with was. So it would be dun, 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 \S. So wouldn't it be \S is the way. It was the ways at least. Something was, oh, because wisdom has is in it. I see. So
Uh-huh.
I need to figure out how to only match the, okay. So it should be
Yeah.
/s. There we go. And then, oh, and then I need spaces. Wait. Oh man, this game's hard.
Yeah, I was about to say you just need space.
Oh,
So
what is
that's
this?
one.
We have to do more?
Yeah, you have to
Oh
do more
man.
than one rule, right? So you
Oh
have to
man.
add another one.
Yeah. So this would just be replacing. We're just doing find and replace right now. So it would just be have and then replace with had, right?
Yeah, but yeah,
I need spaces.
yeah.
So now we are going and okay. Oh, I didn't put /s here. That's why. There we go. The space is not matching the white space correctly. I get it.
Uh-huh.
Or the non-white space. Oh, it is matching white space. I get it. Because if you didn't have white space, it would get the strings inside the thing. The best
Uh-huh.
part is I totally use this command in the text editor at work sometimes. And now I can't do it. It's just like real streaming where it's like, oh, hilarious. R All right.
Oh man, if you can optimize it to see if there's a better way to do it.
Let's click this button. I don't think there was for this one.
Yeah,
Given only these commands, because you only have one command
yeah,
right now.
that makes sense.
George Eliot was a woman. That's true. Currently up to 5 rules.
It doesn't seem too bad.
So basically, his becomes her, and man becomes woman, and he become. Well, let's do his become her. That's easy enough, right? Oh,
Yeah,
but it's lowercase and higher uppercase. So I
let's
think
see if
that
I have a separate rule for that.
I'm pretty sure there you have to.
Yep, looks like it.
Yep, this is supposed to be her, right? Yeah. No, regular expressions are always case sensitive. That's what I. That's the one thing I can remember. What are we trying to do? Man to woman. Will that work? Will this match? Yeah, it will. Okay, sounds simple enough.
Oh, but I see the problem. There's another his that's supposed to be there. You see at the bottom. The her is not. It's still supposed to be his.
Oh, His Majesty.
Yeah,
Ah, I see. Wow, tricks.
that's the
That's
trick.
that is a trick. All right, let's do
So
that one.
you
Let's go back for that one after I do the he's and her, his and hers.
okay?
So his becomes her, and then he becomes she. Oh, right. I got it. All right. So, and then her became his. Wait, the order matters, doesn't it? Because if I replace his with her before, right, I need to make this rule go up. Because if I do her with his, actually, this is fine, I think.
Well,
Oops. Uh,
well, you have multiple hises and hers. That's
yes,
why.
that's why, indeed.
So you probably have to get rid of those.
Oh man, this is hard already.
Yeah, tricky.
All right. Let me think about this. Oh, you can. Oh, you can turn them on and off. You can highlight what's going on. All right. I mean, clearly, what you can do here is you can match this. Oh, okay. Like, can't you do that? Would solve that problem, right?
Yeah,
So then we can come
yeah.
down.
Now you need to do the same thing with those hises and hers.
Ah, yes. All right. Which one is All right.
So man and woman is fine.
Which one is it? This one? His Tetris Ligate during his career. Women ahead of his time. So it should be like his. So what's missing?
So that her should be a his up there.
Like during her career. Oh, I see. Okay. So which one is that's this one? That's this rule. But this rule is also fixing some of the other ones, so you just need to get another out of rules. Oh man, this is pretty hilarious. You only get 5 rules, so there must be a trick. Dun, 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 dun. The struggles. There has to be a way to do his, and well, let's just. his time. This is no longer missing anything. Okay. So this should be her. Oh yeah, you have to actually type the sex.
Second part, yeah. So you need to do the same thing with the 6th up there.
I do. Sixth, yes.
So you're missing a time.
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, and then you're missing
Wow,
a
wrecked.
her
Oh
somewhere at the bottom of it went too long. Yeah. It's his. Oh yeah, it says his best work instead of her best work.
yeah. Wow, this is hard. We're not gonna make it 6 levels. I only have 5. There has to be a trick. Let's delete these his's and hers for a minute. Or turn them off. So you're trying to match one capital H his and then 2 small h's. So it seems like this could just be right. That's the problem here. It's because, did this get matched? Is that what happened here? Yeah, okay. So you need to match,
Basically switched them.
yeah.
But then if you fix those individually, then you're stuck with the one at the bottom that's incorrect.
Yeah, let me think about this. Maybe I'll take a hint. Five rules. This is, you're only allowed to use white match space? There has to be some trick. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. This has to be doable with 5 words, right? The 5 rules. This must not be good enough. You must be able to match. Hold on, turning those off. His portrayal is time. Her time, her portrayal, her best work.
I think the way you want to do it is switch all the his to hers, and then
And
do
then do
do
something on the
exactly
hers.
yeah, do it on
Yeah,
something on one of the hers you just switched, or
that
his
makes
is you
sense.
switch to her and switch it back basically.
That makes sense. Look at you, already knowing regular expressions. Look at you go. We're all learning today. We're all learning today. This is the great. This is the best stream. I realize I'm covering up the chat down there, but whatever. It's not real chat. So then you would do the only, yeah, because now you would just do, you would match her career. Whoops, not space. It would be \s. Would be career with his career. Oops. I put an extra space. Nope. Oh, no. Oops. Nope. One extra space there. So it looks like
That's
5 was
probably
the
was it.
correct one.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh
oh
man,
god.
rip. This is the one where it matches more than one. Yeah, I remember this. Wow. So basically you're going to use this to match. Well, you're going to match normal, like, you got to match more than one O's. You only have 5 rules. So, like, if you were to do, like, this, what does this match? Oh, so anything that begins with... So, S plus. Oh, it's O plus. Whoa. Can I turn that on? Thank you. It's actually super useful. So it seems like you just want to replace those with
Just basically one.
one O.
Oh yeah. That did a lot. So now you need to do the same thing with E's and S's.
Yeah. But you need to be careful because you don't want the first E up here. But then it's okay because you're right. All the E's appear in more than one clump. You need 2 E's.
Yeah, I was about to say you only have two to
I think that's okay. Those are all misspelled.
so the only one up there is that one R on E or that one double E on reeking. So you just need to fix that one individually later.
Oh, you're talking about because Reeking has 2 E's? Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Good
But then
stuff.
everything else you can do one E.
Yeah. Let's do
So
the
just need
S's. Oh man, order of operations.
Yep.
Yeah, and then you just have to make these make the O's 2 O's and then make the yeah, okay.
Do you have a rule limit again?
There's a rule limit. So, but hold on. And then reflected upon the
So it looks like you also need to do it with the spaces.
yeah, that's hard. That's gonna go over the rule limit. There must be another way to replace O or E. Well, let's do the spaces. This will be fun. That would be /s plus more than one space. Place with one space. Okay, so that for
It's
sure is like
close.
locked in.
Yeah. How many rules do you have?
You
5
get
still?
5. No, you get 5 total rules, I think.
Oh man, that's pretty tricky.
Oh no, you get
Oh,
more.
6.
So it's totally
Well,
doable.
that's easy. You just do the 2 E's and then but then how do you write the rule so that it specifically affects only these ones?
Well, for the E, you can do I think you can just match
Oh yeah, that one.
you can
And
do
conveniently enough, I think the for the O, they both have something in common in the what's it called? In the spelling so that you won't affect any other random O's, stray O's.
because it's okay.
Yeah.
They're all okay.
Yeah, exactly. So you just strange it to yeah, there you go.
Oh, let's see if there's an optimization. Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
don't think so.
I think that's good for now. We can go to the math thing.
Okay.
This is early access, but I'm learning so much. This is
We
great.
should just see how hard the next one is
All right.
before we just take a
Tapping
quick
out.
look.
This is like
Yeah.
gonna be if I ever play Dead Cells because it's on sale. I was like, it's gonna be a beating. All right,
Oh, did you buy it?
not yet, but I was gonna ask you, is the DLC worth it? Because for like $5, you get all the DLC.
Oh, is it for all of them? Because when I bought it like a couple months ago, it was $5 for one of the
Oh, well, then I
DLCs.
guess that answers that. But yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
pretty
it's
worth
for
it
all
then.
the it looks like it's for all the DLCs because it
Yeah,
has
because there's 2, I
multiple.
think,
There's two, right?
DLCs
Yeah, it
now.
has 2 packs
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty worth it.
Guess I'll buy it and see how much I get wrecked at that game. Okay. All right.
I would say it's harder than Hades.
I'm sure it is. Hades is pretty easy. I can't believe I lost that run yesterday. That was awful.
That's great.
So bad.
Good time to tune it.
Yeah, you're the best. Now teaching us the ore predator. So now it's getting harder.
All
It's all
right,
right.
well, new commands, so good to know.
It's good to know. All right, but I think we'll move on to the math
Yeah.
thing. That's why you're here. All right, give me one sec.
Great.
So yeah, that was copy editor. It's in early access. It's by Sync Mars Media, and Devil's Calculator is also by Sync Mars Media. That's a complete game. It's actually on Android and iOS as well. I have the demo here right now. We'll see how far we get.
Okay.
With Zip here, I'm sure we can do it. I believe
Something.
we can get through the demo. I'm sure it can't have that many levels. Actually, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it has a lot of levels. Because I think the full game has like hundreds of levels. Because there's DLC and stuff.
Oh wow.
All right, back to this view. Oops, hold on. My bad. Let me. People can look at my dirty desktop. There we go. Oops. There we go. Oh, it's really loud. Hold on. Volume mixer. I think it's better. You're basically trying to make the calculator have 666.
Funny.
And there's this magic function button.
Guessing there's a lot of limitations on how you
Yes,
get
so
there.
exactly. I think what happens as you go on, like you can't use threes or something. And then maybe we can have a quick discussion at the end of the stream about the ranking of digits because I have some thoughts about tier ranking. So basically, you need to give it, I guess, the input that will give you 666. Yeah, and look for patterns. Okay. Got it. So if I push 1.
You stream it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. That might help. Give me a second. This is already hilarious. Okay. So it's level 1. Hey, there's memories here. So why don't I just put 1 and then push this button? And then 2. Oh, I get it. But you want to do like... Maybe it does add 4 to the input. Sounds reasonable.
Okay. Simple enough. So
So
what?
662.
Yeah, seems simple enough.
All right.
Okay.
That was level 1. Becoming more complex. But we're always trying to get to 666. All right. So actually, you know what? What happened? We just put 0. Okay, well, that didn't.
So my guess is this might have to do with multiplication.
No, like times. That would be times
Times
10. Or times 100, yes.
yeah. Can test it with another function.
Looks like it's times
Yep,
100.
times
All right.
100. So
that would be
66.6 or 6.66. Sorry.
Oh, you're right. No.
Oh, I wonder if you can do the function twice to be fancy.
You mean like do 6
like
points.
do 0.666, like 0.0666, and then do the function twice.
Oh, because it'll be times 100 and then times 100 again.
Times 100 again, exactly.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, you can.
Dialing.
How fancy. It's good to know.
Negative numbers, negative outputs, or both. All right. So, I don't know. Give it 1. Actually, let's give it 0. 0 is a great tester. Okay, that didn't really...
Probably another multiplication division thing.
So
times negative a
times
half.
Negative a half? Would that be?
Yep.
2 times negative, yeah. So what is...
Negative...
So it's like negative... I need a real calculator next to my other calculator. 333, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, no, not 333. It's 332. But you needed, so it's like 1,332. Half of that will be
6,
666.
6. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You're right. 332. Oh man, math is hard. Memory keys. What the?
Uh-oh.
It's getting hard. This demo's hard. 6. So probably. I mean,
Plus
plus
6
6
so far.
seems reasonable. So if I push M1, what does that do? It just. Oh, I always have 6 in there. Interesting. Oh, it's like a real calculator. 8.
Oh, 8 now, huh?
Isn't that? Wait, that's not. That would
So
be
that's
plus
not
7.
plus. And the function might be more complicated than that then
Yeah,
now.
it definitely. All right. So let's see.
Test with another number, I guess.
I guess 10
Oh, I'm guessing it's like 2
square
times
times.
x plus something or something like
Yeah.
that. Or it might just be, well, actually, so 1 turned into 8,
It's isn't it
0
just isn't
turned,
it just isn't it the number times x times wait, it would be like because 2 plus 4 is no wait, that's only 6. It adds if it was adding 6 and then it was doing something before then, what would it be? It would be like 2x plus 6. That would work, right? If it was 2x plus 6.
oh
Because
yeah, 2x plus 6, there you go.
2x
Yeah,
plus 6.
that's
So
right.
then to get 666, you would need to put in minus 6. You would need to get 662x, so 330.
Right.
See if I'm right. You know what's gonna happen is when we can't use 0 and 1s, then that's when it all goes poorly.
Yeah, I'm sure the function will get ridiculously complicated.
Oh, here we go. Can't use 5. 5 is a low tier number. Actually, it's an okay number. It's a prime.
Okay.
Calculator's on fire. Don't care. Whoa. It's input recursively.
Hence what I guess I was testing earlier.
Such heat. Oh, very hot. Hilarious. All right. 11.
Alright.
12. That's interesting.
Plus 11 would be too simple, but I guess we can keep testing it. It is actually just plus 11. But you can't use the 5 anymore, so
Oh no! So what would you have? Because you can't put 6. That means you can't put 655. So you have to do something. Oh well, what's 666 minus 22? Isn't it 644?
you can probably just use that function multiple times.
Right. Yeah, but
You can't do plus or minuses on this thing, right? So
it would be like this.
yeah, there you go.
Uh oh. There's a graph. What is this?
Graph view, huh?
Oh no, I'm scared. I'm intimidated now. Okay. Whoa. This is crazy.
Does it actually
Oh,
go to Wolfram?
I think it does.
That's amazing.
What?
Anybody too lazy to do math knows that site.
I don't think that site even existed when I was doing math. That's how old I am. But I have seen it used. It's like a search engine for math, right? What does it do actually? I don't even know.
It's like a fancy calculator basically, but it's a calculator that's complex enough to know how to do most calculus things automatically and
I
draw
see.
it for you on top of that.
Wow.
So if people who are too lazy to do calculus just type in a function and just copy the graph that it shows off of that.
Awesome. Technology is the best.
It's amazing. It's hilarious.
Plus 5y. So what was it saying? 666. Does that do something? Oh wow! It opened up Wolfram Alpha. Yeah, in another window. I'm not going to show it, but oh yeah.
Interesting.
It totally went there and it put that thing in and it showed me all these things.
Right. So now you have a graph of like, yeah, it just draws you a whole graph,
Yeah, it
right?
does. And I also have a bunch of different formulas. Wow. This is great. Okay. So wait, but there is a graph view here somewhere.
Well, what's on the tools? But after the tools, what does the calc button do?
I think it goes back to the calculator.
Isn't that what the back button does already?
Oh no, it goes to a real
Oh, it's a
calculator.
real hilarious.
So when you're like me and I'm like 666 minus 222. Oh, right.
Funny.
Okay, hold on. Let's just see what.
Where's the graph view then?
Good question. Did I miss something? Oops. Alright, so wait. Did I do 0? I did 0. And it was 0. 1. -2. -4. Let's try 5. -10.
So far, it just seems like -2 times whatever you have.
Yeah. Here's the
Yeah.
graph.
Yeah, so it's just -3 or wait, it's times 5, right? So what's 666 divided by 5? Or no, it's times 2. So yeah, it's just -333, right?
Yeah, but the thing is I can't type 333, remember?
All right. So you have to do it multiple times. So if you can't do,
So it would
you have
be
to do one. Uh, if you can't do it by half, then do it by a quarter of 666.
so 222.
No, because that's 444. Then that's
No,
888.
you're right. This is why I use the real calculator. Hold on. We'll get the real calculator. 666. What do we need? A quarter times 0.5.
Yeah,
166.5.
there you go. But then you need to make it negative because because you're gonna do the function twice. There you go. Oh wait, no, you need it
Oh.
once. Sorry.
Oop.
Right, it's gonna cancel out because you do the function twice.
Because negative times negative is a positive.
Yeah.
We
It's
all
already
learned.
one.
We all learned math today. I'm totally gonna get this from my
Okay.
phone later. Okay.
So I wonder which function you're gonna see this time then.
I know. 6.
Okay. So far it seems like the one from before where you yeah, it's like 2x plus 6. Yeah. So
Is that what it is? If it was 2x plus 6, this should be 14, right?
or wait. No, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 6 is 10.
No, but it would be it's the actual
Oh,
it's
this
the
one.
actual
This
it's the
this
actual
one.
input. Or 4,
Yeah.
yeah. This should be 14.
Yeah,
Right?
this,
All right.
yeah,
I'm willing to guess that. So that would be so -6 would be 660 and then 330, but we can't do 330, hence the difficulty. So you would have to do something else. You have to apply it
So
twice.
right.
So what's it? Was it
So
166?
330. So basic, yeah, 330 plus 6. You have to do like a half of that again, or you have to do half of that again, right? To do the double function.
Yeah. So what's half of 330? One something.
One,
150. I don't know. Something.
yeah,
165.
yeah,
So it'd be
165. Oh, but then you're gonna add 6 twice, so then you
oh,
can't actually.
you're right.
So you have to do 666 minus 12, and then do half of that.
Oh man, this is crap. This is algebra. Look at this.
I think.
Oops, that's the square root.
I'm sure we'll have to get there eventually, but not right now.
I know. I just couldn't. I forgot what the division symbol was. Oh, it's so great. Oh my god. 666 minus 12 equals divide by 2.
No, actually,
Nope.
that's not necessarily true because it will do the function. How will the function do it? It'll do 2x plus 6 and then 2x plus 6, right? So like,
That's what's happening right now, right? So if you need
but if you do the function twice, then
right, maybe we have to get there. Oh, you're right. So it would be 2x plus 6, and then whatever that would equal y, and then it becomes 2y plus 6. You're right, because you're adding 12, and then you're quadrupling
just
the
for
two.
testing's sake, just do like one and double function, just so I can see an example. So that's 22, right? So what happens if you do like 2 and double function? 26.
That would be 2 times 2 is 4 plus. I mean that's 10, and then times 2 is yeah, because 10 times 2 is 20 plus 6 is 26.
Right. Okay, so how do you apply that to this
Yeah, to actually get to 666.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure that out too. Algebra's
So you
hard.
basically go backwards. You just wrote it down earlier, so you just do the same. You wrote it down. Whatever you did earlier, you just go backwards from that equation.
So we basically
2y plus 6 equals 666, right?
yeah.
So
So
you just do this backwards to figure out y, then you go back to figure out x, and
that
then
would
you
be
just plug that in.
660 divided by 2, which equals 30. That's equal
Right.
to x, or like
No,
equal to
equal to
y.
y.
And then you
Y.
have 2x plus 6 equals 330. You
Right.
have 224 divided by 2.
Which is 112. There you go. That's what you plug in.
All right. Together, we could do algebra that's like grade level.
God.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Wait, it's because that's not. Hold on. That's not. There was a was there a mistake here? Hold on. That'd be 660.
No, it's because it's 324, not 224.
Oh yeah.
Minus 6. Oh, God.
Look, math is hard. Arithmetic is hard.
So 324 minus.
Oh, we can't
But
use
you
3,
can't.
dude.
Oh,
They
God.
thought
So
of that.
you have to go even further. You have to do this one more time, basically.
Oh man, too good. All right. So then it would be. Oh great. So it would be like this, and then 2z plus 6 equals like 8. And I'll
Yeah,
solve
sure.
backwards for all this.
Yeah.
Alright, so then A would be...
So the loop is basically you just do minus 6 and divide it by 2
right.
until you find something without a 3 in it.
666 minus 6 equals 660. Divided by 2 equals 330
330. Okay.
minus 6.
Do it again.
324. Let's do this right.
Yeah,
Divided
then
by
that
2
becomes
equals what? I forgot again. what was it? 160.
162.
I think so. Hold on. There's no reason to guess. 162. Okay.
Oh, then you can already just put that in, right? The function.
Didn't we try that?
Yeah, but you tried that with the wrong number.
Did I? Okay. Oops. Alright.
Alright, Jesus.
Alright, we can learn more. A word
What a
game.
game.
Oh man. Do that later. Yay, demo. What? Functions are not necessarily algebraic in nature. Why are these locked out? Why would this? That makes me very suspicious already. -3. -2. So it seems to be -3, but is that too simple? -3 seems to be pretty good. Aha. That
Of
is too
course,
simple.
there's more to it.
There's way more to it. 336.
So you might need a number with double digits just to test it.
Negative 23.
So why did it go all the way like that?
Yeah.
It clearly flips the sign, but there's more to it than that. Or no, it doesn't flip the sign because
It
you.
didn't flip the sign for 669.
Yeah. Weird.
This is already hilarious. Hmm. Oops. I didn't mean to clear all clear. Wait, does that really clear all clear? Negative 13. Two. This is really, really hard. Let's click this. Let's click this help button. Okay. Sometimes the translations are more abstract. What does a more abstract mean in terms of math? Like, what is a non-algebraic function? That just means it's not something like x, like the input isn't
Right,
necessarily.
you can't. Yeah, it might be something weird where it's like, yeah, yeah, it's not something that you can't just determine just by plugging it in. Uh,
Wait, what was
hmm,
0 was negative
it's a
3?
3.
3 was 0. Hold on, let's
So what
just keep.
happens? Oh, you can't test negatives.
Yeah, I know. 4 is 1.
What the heck happens if you do a double function on like on like the same thing? Yeah. Hmm.
That's interesting. That's definitely not minus 3. Or is it? No, that does look like minus 3, but it's not. Hmm. The sign did stop getting it stopped flipping at a certain point, right? Because I plugged in like 66 something and it didn't go negative, right? Like when I was at like 669, this was not negative.
Hmm.
Is it just. There it is, somewhere around between 200 and 500. 300 became 33. What the? 500 became 233. 500 became 233 and 100 became negative 233. What the? If it's not algebraic, that means it's just. If it's not algebraic, does that mean it, like that means the input is being, wait, yeah. Good question. What the?
I
Zero.
don't know. What happens if you just put the function by itself? Can you do that?
Oh,
Oh,
and
clear first.
huh,
Uh,
nice
I
try.
sh- yeah, I figured.
Oops. $23. So it's 300 is where it flips from negative to positive. All right, let's take a hint.
I guess so.
Oh, I see. Is it just flipping? Well, no, it's not. Is it flipping the sixes to?
Seems like there's more to it than that, but yeah, but that doesn't really explain why. Like,
Are zeros becoming? No, they're not. Threes becoming zeros. 500. Two two two. Is it subtracting 3 from the digit?
I guess try 444.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just need to do. Yeah.
All right. So that's it.
Wow. What a
Wow.
ridiculous.
Can treat its input conditionally based on odd criteria. What obscuring patterns? Oh, so that's basically like saying if I give it like a 6 and I give it a 7, like even though it's like applying the same formula, it can have like an if statement that says if it's a 7, do something really crazy.
Maybe.
Wow, that's how I interpret that. Dude, this is
Guess you
only
can
like
test
level
it.
9.
How many levels are there?
There's like hundreds of levels in the
Oh
full game.
god.
There's like DLC, and I think there's like it's one of those games where there's like special DLC by special people because there's also you can make your own levels if you I think if you have the full game. Look at this calculator's super on fire now. We can't use 4 and 8 are low tier numbers. I'll get into that later, but it's okay. All right, well, let's try this level. We'll just go to 10 and see what happens. Well, if we can get to 10. Negative 82. That doesn't help. 28. Negative 300. So would 300 therefore be negative 900? Okay. But it's not just subtracting 600, it's doing something different. The fact that the decimal's on fire makes me wonder if it's no, it can't be because you have to be able to put it in. 116. Wow, this is really hard.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Logic now is going crazy.
472? What the? Hmm. Tell me some more. Oh, so it can like transform prime numbers in a different way than non-primes. Did I give it any? 5 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number.
Interesting. So 9 and
7. 7 was
Is that-
negative 76. What is it? Or wait, it's not on
I
my
don't know.
screen.
Just do it again.
Yeah. It was negative 76 is right there.
Okay.
And 9 was negative 74? What the hell was 10? Negative 30? Whoa. Negative 100. Alright, we can take this hint. Okay, sure. Odds and evens are different.
I guess try 20.
So if it's an even number, what's going on?
So if you have 200, it'll probably be negative 600, right?
Yeah, it is negative 600. I did that earlier, and 300 was
Okay.
negative 900. Oh,
What if you have
300 is not even. Hold on.
what if you have 22?
22. Okay. Negative 66.
Maybe
So
it's
can
just
I just
negative
two
222.
two two two?
Yeah, negative 222. I don't know.
It's worth a shot.
Seems very, very straightforward, but
Oh, you're the best.
oh, wow. Well, straight, simplest answer sometimes the right one.
Okay. All right. Last level, and then we can end this stream. It's been about an hour. I think I've had enough, but I've learned a lot. It's been pretty funny.
This has been
Oh wait, we gotta do. Oh
interesting.
no, we gotta rank the digits. I have some theories. I have
Okay.
a tier maker up for this later. What? Wow.
Huh.
Rip. I'm already intimidated.
Okay.
Non-integers. Two, 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 three. What?
Hmm.
That's 16 and 2/3.
What's 22? That's 2/9, and the other one is 0.778 is basically 7 out of
8.
no, that's not 2/9. Sorry, the other one is like that's no, it's not 7 out of 8. Think
7 out of 9. Is that what you're saying? I don't know.
no, that's not right because you want it. What's a better way to think of it? I'm trying to.
Negative 16.1112.
All right, yeah, you're right. I guess it is 1 out of 9. It's 2 out of 9. The other one's 7 out of 9. But what does that have? Why is that linked to the way it is?
I know. I can keep going up. Is this 5 out of 9?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's got 9s. What if you did that is still negative. It's like what the?
Or you try a bigger number, a
Yeah,
double-digit number.
let's try that. Negative 12.
Uh,
37. What about actually 48? 100 was 37. 300 was 148. What is like 900? 82. So you need like a really big number. Doesn't seem. It seems like it's definitely going to not be negative anymore. 37. It's just increasing. I
just
mean, I'm just saying
brute
we could
force
just sit
it.
here and brute force this, right?
Oh my gosh.
Look, you're getting
Oh
close.
my gosh. You're really about to land on it.
Look, I can't figure it out. Okay, we'll look at the hint. We'll look at the hint. Okay. I'm just saying it's clearly going to be like 12, 40 something, maybe. We'll look at the hint. We'll look at the hint. Okay. Function converts degrees Fahrenheit. Oh. Ha ha ha. That's hilarious. Wait, will this actually take me to Wolfram? It did. Wow. Oh, it shows me the formula. Even showed me the answer. Or not the answer. It showed me the... I mean, I can calculate the answer from this. There's no way we're gonna guess that. I don't convert. I don't do that conversion enough.
Wait, what was it?
So the function is basically converting what is it? It's converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, I believe.
Oh,
It's like, it's x minus 32 times 5/9.
right.
But I mean, I don't do that calculation a lot, and I don't think you do either. So it's hard for us to recognize that
Not
even without the
lately.
graphs. And look, okay, we live in America. We don't have to do this calculation. uh,
So
but I
you're
guess we could do
basically
it the right
doing
way.
666 pull.
Minus 32, or wait, plus 32.
Are we doing? Yeah. Which way are we going? The number got smaller, right? So you're going from.
It should be times 9/5, right? Instead of times 5. It should be, sorry, divided by 9/5 instead of times 5/9.
Well, that's the same thing.
Oh, you're right. It is.
um.
Good times.
So if it turned negative when you did it, then it can't be. You can't be converting this Celsius. Oh no, you can't be converting Celsius. I'm thinking Kelvins. Uh, Let me think.
I mean,
Then
here I
you're
can show
going.
you, like, it's basically like x, is it minus 32 multiplied by 5/9 is
That's
equivalent to.
the Celsius, right? That's the Celsius version, or that's if you're going from Fahrenheit to Celsius.
That was it. I might have misread it, but
That's
that's
what I'm trying
definitely.
to figure out. If you're trying to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to
It's
Celsius.
Fahrenheit to Celsius. I think I misread it.
Okay, so yeah, that's the direction you go.
So
Yeah.
then to undo this, you would do 6 times 9/5, right?
Yeah,
And then this, whatever this
plus
is, plus
plus
32.
32. Right.
It's going to equal 12 something.
Right. So
Uh,
that you need a real calculator.
all right, what are we
There's
trying
no
to
way.
do? 666 times 9/5 plus 32. Okay. 1230.8,
All right.
which matches the answer on Wolfram Alpha or whatever, but we did it the
Okay.
legit way. Oh, actually, did it just put it in there
You
for me?
Yeah, you should have just.
That's awesome. This game thought of everything. Wow.
All right. Well, that's simple enough.
All right. Good times. I think that's good. We get 10 levels. This game is hard but fun. All right. Well, let's talk about digits really quick. I'm curious. This is the real part of this stream. So let me bring this up. All right. So I have the tier maker here for numbers. Um. So here's my theory. 0 is S tier, right? Because 0 is like amazing.
Well, what are you basing this tier off of?
Uh, Basically, like, how, I mean, just overall, right? The number, like, 0, any number times 0 is like, first of all, 0 is so good it breaks like things, right? Because if you divide by 0, what is that, right? Undefined. I'm talking about in terms
Guess
of
so.
like overall operations, right? And then maybe like nothing, 0 cannot be comprised of any of these other numbers, right? There's no way to make 0. That's why I think it's S tier. And then I think,
Interesting.
and and also because you can multiply if you can add or subtract any number with 0 and it won't change it. You can multiply by 0 and it nukes it, or I guess absorbs it. I guess thinking about how it becomes 1 is sort of like that. It's the opposite way. It's sort of the opposite, right? Because you can multiply divide by 1. It doesn't break anything. It turns even to odd and odd to even. Um, After this, I would say something like 5. No, yeah. Wait, it would be like 3, 5, and 7. These are solid, but not the greatest because these are prime numbers. So, that's special.
Okay.
I think 2 is the ultimate workhorse number. So it's just normal tier. It's like, how do I put this? It's like, it is, yeah, you can be composed of 1, but otherwise, not really any of these other numbers. 9 is basically like the jank prime number, right? Because it's like not really a prime. It's definitely not. I feel like it's not a prime number, but it's also one of those things that if you're drunk and not thinking through, you might think it's a prime number, composed of what, like I mean, yeah, obviously threes, but
Just threes, yeah.
it's like the jank prime number. It's like the Dan of prime numbers, where like it's Ken and Ryu are the legit ones, and 9 is the fake
Yeah,
prime number.
because you can use it to, if you're not sure if a number is prime, you can use it to get rid of, to divide it out by 9 instead of dividing it by 3 multiple times or something.
Yeah, see,
To like
exactly.
isolate the prime number
See,
within.
exactly. And then at the bottom, I definitely think 4, 6, and 8 are all like trash numbers because these are just like two component. You can 2 goes into 4 and 8. 2 and
I
3 go
would
into 6. I mean, do you have opinions on this?
I would at least place the 6 on the same tier as 9, because it's like the same thing as what is it called, as 9, but it has a 2 and it has the 2 and a 3 to
I guess
make it,
that's
right?
true. I never thought about
So
that.
you
All
use
right.
it to you use it to isolate a prime number if it has both an even and an odd aspect to it.
All right, that's fair. You've convinced me. Okay, I think
But
this is
yes,
pretty
I
good.
agree
Yeah.
with at least 4 and 8, because
These are
you can
those are
just make those
trash
out of
numbers. Yeah,
twos.
we can make those out of twos. These are trash. These are trash numbers. All right, it's
So
good to know.
6 is at least unique that it can be made out of if you're multiplying 2 and 3.
That's true. I think this is pretty accurate.
Fair enough, I guess. This is interesting.
The tier list. This is gonna be clipped later. It's all good. I'm gonna highlight this. All right, there you go. The tier list of numbers. I think we got it.
Funny.
All right, yes, but that game was okay. So that game was Devil's Calculator, and before that was Calculator. Edutainment games. Maybe I'll find some more and
Wow.
play them myself. I only need Zip if there's math because that was invaluable. Actually, Zip helped a lot on the regex too. So never mind. Apparently I need all the help I can get. But that was good. That went about as well as the Hades run, I think. Maybe that went
Maybe
better.
even better.
I think it went even better. Technically, as more progress was made and less failures. Yeah. So I think coming up there'll be who knows what. I'll find something else. Oh, coming up will be Texorcist for sure. I haven't played that game. I'm gonna play that game some more. That'll probably be sometime this weekend actually. So yeah. And thanks again for tuning in, Zip, or joining me, Zip. Sorry. You want to say anything before we sign off? This was pretty funny.
This was
Quite the experience.
Janktastic stream.
This was Janktastic. I know. I totally advertised that. But yeah, I highly recommend checking out these games on Steam or your phone. Devil's Calculator is available on your phone if you want to play games and learn math. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Take care, Zip.
Alright, see you later.
Okay. So that'll be it. I want to thanks Zip. This has been a pretty hilarious stream. I want to try out those games because they seem pretty interesting. The regular expression one, I think, when it gets more levels, will be really fun. Just because I think it's a super cool skill to have. And also, you see, my math skills are awful. That was not great. But good times. I think we all had fun. We learned about numbers. Like I said, Texas will be the next game up. And then eventually we'll go back to Hades. Maybe there'll be another game in between then. Whatever I feel like. So until then, I'll see everybody around. Laters.